Alright, so we're checking into room 2616 here at Disney's Caribbean Beach. If you enjoyed the room tour, give us a thumbs up, and do appreciate it. It really does help me out a lot. And I'd love for you guys to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Let's go inside. We have checked in. You can do that on your mobile app, and then you just use your magic band to enter the room. Forgive the mess in here. We have dropped our bags. So you can use the My Disney Experience app to check in online so to speak, before you do it. It takes about 20 minutes and they'll just write your room number on there. You go to the guard at the front gate and then he'll direct you to the building you need to go to. Now, Caribbean Beach is a pretty big resort. We'll hopefully have a separate video up of the resort itself, but let's give you an overview of the room. So we are ground floor here. We've got a little table area with 2 seats. That's nice. You can have your food just there. We've got a king size bed, which is just shy of a super king bed in the UK, which is very nice. Adjoining rooms as well. So we have got a neighbour. That's locked both sides, so we can't get through. I think there's like 2 doors there. But that's good to know if you've got family coming in. You've got coat hooks just behind the door. Now this door is really heavy as well. Very, very, very heavy. Air conditioning unit and heating unit just down there. And like I said, we are on the ground floor. I'll give you a little look just outside so you can see roughly where we are. We're in the Martinique building, so we're right by the main centre. Building that you see just there to the left of the pane is the old Port Royale, and that's the main building here. You've got the Riviera and Skyliners, if you can see just over there. So, back on with the tour. The decor in here, being Disney's Caribbean Beach, is themed to Caribbean. Nice big bed. And you've got a pretty big TV as well, which is showing your today view. You've got a coffee machine, so you can do 1 or 2 cups of coffee at a time. You've got your little Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend instant coffee. So we will be taking some of those with us, I think. Love these doors. So this gives you a good opportunity to separate the bathroom off. You've got a proper separation there. Unlike a lot of these kind of rooms in the US, where it's just completely open. So we'll keep that open. I'll give you a view of some of the little details in just a minute. But you've got his and hers sinks here. Iron and ironing board. You've got a vertical laptop safe too, and extra pillows and blankets, hangers, and all those kinds of things. Quite a small bathroom, and your little commode there as well. Got a funny smell in here. I think it's this shower curtain. It smells very plasticky, which means that's a brand new shower curtain, which is quite nice. Fixed shower head. Nice tiles. You've got your H2O plus body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and all that kind of good stuff. Now these are just refillable bottles, so the housekeeping will come in and clean the room and change those every day. You've also got your bikini, swimming costume, all sorts, hanger, so that'll go just over there, and you've got a bathtub as well. Now, it's not a walk-in bathtub, but it's a level height bathtub, so you've not really got a massive step to go in, but just bear that in mind. It's not just a walk-in shower or anything like that. You've got all your extra amenities down the bottom, a whole bunch of towels in here. We've got towels in the bathroom. We've got 6 towels in the bathroom. We've got an additional 4 main towels down there, a whole bunch of hand towels everywhere. Because I think you can choose housekeeping sort of every other day. So again, more towels at the side here. We've got one of the switch around mirrors, that's bigger on one side, smaller on the other. More toiletries, the H2O Plus, so you've got facial soap and body lotion. Again, his and her sinks, that's pretty cool. Nice large bathroom area here as well. Your hairdryer is just down the bottom. So moving into the main bedroom area, a lot of storage. You've got somewhere to put a suitcase at least, and a whole bunch of, as I said, a whole bunch of storage. You've got your mini fridge, nothing in the mini fridge, so you can't, you haven't got any cans of drink or anything like that. This TV will show you all of the park hours. You've got resort TV stuff on there, so all the best bits to see. As you can see, Disney's Enchantment, the new nighttime spectacular at the Magic Kingdom, and you've got little bits of the Caribbean Beach Resort down the bottom. So as we go round, like I said before, nice king-sized bed. You've got your air conditioning unit on the controls on the wall here, and that also does have a sensor on, so that's quite interesting. So that might turn off whilst you're asleep, which is not ideal. Number of plug sockets though, which is nice. You've got 2 plug sockets on each side on the nightstand. You've also got a double USB socket there as well, and then you've got 2 gang plug socket up there, and you've got your telephone there too, and that is on both sides of the bed, obviously not the telephone, but you've got again the 2 gang plug socket, you've got double plug socket on the nightstand, and you've got your 2 USB sockets. So overall, pretty awesome looking room, nice size, lots of room to walk around in, spread about, and you've got a fantastic bed there as well. Now I can't give you guys an accurate price on what this cost us. We're staying here for 4 nights, as this was booked long ago and delayed due to everything going on, so there's no real accurate price, but be sure to check out waltdisneyworld.com or .co.uk, whatever's your preference, and you can see how much it is roughly for a night. This is a moderate resort here. Disney do a number of different resort levels, so you've got your budget resort, what is essentially a budget resort. You've got your moderate, and then you've got your deluxe resort, and this sits in the moderate middle class. So hopefully you've enjoyed that room tour, and it gives you an idea of whether you'd like to stay here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. And this is, as I said, a Martinique building, room 2616. So we're finishing our stay in the Martinique building at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. I'll give you a few thoughts on the room itself. The room does feel a little bit tired. It could do with a little bit of an update. It's a nice touch having all those USB sockets, that's really helpful. And the layout of the resort, albeit very big, you've got a lot on offer here. In terms of cleanliness, I'd probably give them a 7 or 8 out of 10. Amenities, you've got a 9 out of 10. You've got access to
all of the Disney property here. You've got buses, you've got the Skyliner to two theme parks and 3 other resorts, so you've got a lot on offer here. Overall, I'd give this resort, I'd give the room itself probably an 8 out of 10. We have enjoyed staying here. Current climate means that we're not getting housekeeping every day, which is a little bit frustrating, and they kind of only half fill like shampoo bottles and things like that. They should fill that up entirely. Weird quirk with the fan in the bathroom as well. That's got a sensor on it, and as soon as you walk in there, it is so loud. That fan just instantly comes on and you just want to turn it off because it's ridiculously loud. But we've had a fantastic stay. Like I said, 8 out of 10 for the room itself. I will link down in the description a separate resort tour with as much information as we can show you here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We had to film it over a few days, so it'll be a little bit broken up into pieces, but you'll get the idea of what there is on offer here. If you've enjoyed having a look at the room, this is a king room in the Martinique building right next to Old Port Royale. I'd love for you guys to give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. It really does help me out a lot, and it'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. See you on the other side. Thanks.